When we look at QBD within the biopharma world, there's obviously an awful lot of areas in which understanding the drivers of process variation can have a profound effect on both process stability and reducing our timeline, because many of these processes are very costly and they're also very time consuming. An area that represents, I think, a very intriguing opportunity are the single-use disposable systems that are emerging. While I would say reasonably mature and proven on the mammalian side, they're still emerging on the microbial side. And while historically, you could see over the last 5 years, you've seen a shift, it remains to be seen, and there's an awful lot of effort in terms of the disposable technology out there to demonstrate capability in microbial side. So to me, in order to effectively transfer a process from the bench scale or classical hard-piped process into a disposable system requires a fairly profound understanding of the drivers that affect process stability and performance. We don't have the same knobs, although the knobs are getting better in disposable systems. But I think this is a tremendous opportunity. As we start looking at globalization and we start looking at opportunities for preclinical, early development work, and perhaps even downstream clinical manufacturing overseas, the integration of QBD into these systems is going to be an essential step to having some comfort level that you are controlling the key parameters. They're going to essentially end up in success as you move your product to the clinical timeline. So to me, that's a really key area, I think. Obviously, the classical areas of fermentation and purification and fill finish, these are three areas that where QBD has been proven historically to have been essential to demonstrating process capability, and those will continue to be so. But as we look at these emerging technologies, as equity markets disappear and we haven't got the cash to build these huge plants, this represents realistically the viable next step in terms of our industry.